In this video, we're gonna make a volume weighted average price indicator, and I'm gonna use the same template as I did before. So I'm gonna continue with my exponential moving average, and I'm gonna copy that file and I'm gonna paste it in the same folder. I'm gonna rename it to the volume weighted average price.py, and we don't have to change much, just that we can't define our own averages here. So I will remove those variables, and here we only need one, so I will remove this one too, and here we only need one scatter plot, so I will remove this one too. In order to create the volume weighted average price, we need to have the information of the high, of the low, of the close, and the volume. So basically what we're going to do is I'm going to rename this to VWAP, so volume weighted average price, and it's going to be DF high. It's going to be DF high plus DF low, low plus DF close, and I'm gonna put this between brackets, and I need to divide it by 3, and now I need to multiply it with the volume. So I'm gonna multiply it with DF volume. We need to take the cumulative sum of this, so we're going to say cum sum, and this we need to divide again by the cumulative sum of the volume. So divide it by df dot volume and cumulative sum. So I will have to open again. And that's it. That's how we can do a volume weighted average price, and I will plot it on my graph. So this is going to be DFVWAP, and this is going to be the volume weighted average price. And I'm going to save it, and I'm going to run it to check if it worked. So say Streamlit run VWAP.py, and here we have the volume weighted average price. If I want to change it to, for example, Tesla, this is the volume weighted average price of Tesla. If you want to have a more closer value to, like for example, if you take Apple, we see that the value is at 160. It's because it's calculating on 2 years of information. If we want to have it a little bit more closer to the price of today, we can change the date to 1 year of information, but it didn't change much, 165. So here we can see that's clearly an uptrend. And so that's how we do the volume weighted average price indicator in Python.